Welcome to the chapter Numbers from 20 to 100. This slide presents the overview of the chapter. Learning objectives. By the end of this chapter, you will be able to explain how to count the numbers by seeing the pictures. Write the numbers from 20 to 100. Discuss the names of numbers from 1 to 20. Let us start with an introduction. My dear children, we have already studied about the numbers from 1 to 20. Do you know which number comes after the number 20? Let us learn about the number which comes after the number 20. Groups of numbers. Already we have learned how to count by tens in the previous chapter. Let us see the groups of numbers. Here, each set contains 10 parachutes. We can count the numbers using the number of sets. The second row contains 2 sets, hence the number of parachutes is 20. In the same manner, the third row contains 30 parachutes since it contains 3 sets. Then follow 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Take up the following activity on groups of numbers. Type the correct answer in the given box and click Submit to verify your answer. Now, we are going to learn the numbers that come after the number 20. Hi Kiran, how many fish did you catch? Hello Vinay, I caught 10 fish in the first round and 10 more fish in the second round. So, you have a total of 20 fish? Yes Vinay, you are right. Let's make 30 fish together. I will catch the fish one by one and give it to you. Okay, Vinay. Vinay gave one fish to Kiran. So, 20 plus 1 is equal to 21. Total is equal to 21 fish. Now, Vinay gave one more fish to Kiran. So, 20 plus 2 is equal to 22. Total is equal to 22 fish. Again, Vinay gave one more fish to Kiran. So, 20 plus 3 is equal to 23. Total is equal to 23 fish. Once again, Vinay gave one more fish to Kiran. So, 20 plus 4 is equal to 24. Total is equal to 24 fish. Like that, Vinay gave one more fish to Kiran. 20 plus 5 is equal to 25. Total is equal to 25 fish. 20 plus 6 is equal to 26. 20 plus 7 is equal to 27. Total is equal to 27 fish. 20 plus 8 is equal to 28. Total is equal to 28 fish. 20 plus 9 is equal to 29. Total is equal to 29 fish. 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. Total is equal to 30 fish. Now, similarly, we will learn the numbers that come after the number 30. Hi friends, nice bouquets. How many flowers are there in your bouquets? We have 10 flowers each in a bouquet, so the total is 30 flowers. I have only one flower. How many flowers do I need to make a bouquet like you? You need 9 more flowers, Sandeep. Let's pick the flowers one by one. Sandeep already has 1 flower. So, 30 flowers plus 1 flower is equal to 31 flowers. He picked 1 more flower from the garden. 30 plus 2 is equal to 32. So, total is equal to 32 flowers. Again, he picked 1 flower from the garden. So, 30 plus 3 is equal to 33. Total is equal to 33 flowers. Once again, he picked 1 flower from the garden. So, 30 plus 4 is equal to 34. Total is equal to 34 flowers. Likewise, he picked 1 flower from the garden. 30 plus 5 is equal to 35. Total is equal to 35 flowers. 30 plus 6 is equal to 36. Total is equal to 36 flowers. 30 plus 7 is equal to 37. Total is equal to 37 flowers. 30 plus 8 is equal to 38. Total is equal to 38 flowers. 30 plus 9 is equal to 39. Total is equal to 39 flowers. 30 plus 10 is equal to 40. Total is equal to 40 flowers. Finally, he made a bouquet with those 10 flowers. Now, similarly, we will learn the numbers that come after the number 40. Hi friends, your baskets are looking full. How many mangoes do you have? We have 10 mangoes in each basket. Total is equal to 40 mangoes. Let me fill my basket too. Seema picked 1 mango from the tree. So, 40 plus 1 is equal to 41. Total is equal to 41 mangoes. She picked 1 more mango from the tree. So, 40 plus 2 is equal to 42. Total is equal to 42 mangoes. Again, she picked 1 more mango from the tree. So, 40 plus 3 is equal to 43. Total is equal to 43 mangoes. Once again, she picked 1 more mango from the tree. So, 40 plus 4 is equal to 44. Total is equal to 44 mangoes. Likewise, she picked 1 more mango from the tree. So, 40 plus 5 is equal to 45. Total is equal to 45 mangoes. 40 plus 6 is equal to 46. Total 46 mangoes. 40 plus 7, 47. Total 47 mangoes. 40 plus 8 is equal to 48. Total 48 mangoes. 40 plus 9 is equal to 49. Total 49 mangoes. Finally, she picked 1 more mango from the tree. So, 40 plus 10 is equal to 50. Total is equal to 50 mangoes. Here, we will learn the numbers that come after the number 50. Chintu, Pintu, Dolly, Chinnu and Kittu have 10 balloons each. Total is equal to 50 balloons. Sonu is blowing the balloons to make another bunch of balloons. Sonu blew 1 balloon. So, 50 plus 1 is equal to 51. Total is equal to 51 balloons. She blew 1 more balloon. So, 50 plus 2 is equal to 52. Total is equal to 52 balloons. Again, she blew 1 more balloon. So, 50 plus 3 is equal to 53. Total is equal to 53 balloons. Once again, she blew 1 more balloon. So, 50 plus 4 is equal to 54. Total is equal to 54 balloons. Likewise, she blew 1 more balloon. So, 50 plus 5 is equal to 55. total is equal to 55 balloons. 50 plus 6 is equal to 56, total is equal to 56 balloons. 50 plus 7 is equal to 57, total 57 balloons. 50 plus 8 is equal to 58, total 58 balloons. 50 plus 9 is equal to 59, total 59 balloons. Finally, she blew one more balloon. So, 50 plus 10 is equal to 60. Total is equal to 60 balloons. Take up the following activity on numbers from 51 to 60. Type the correct answer in the given box and click Submit to verify your answer. Now, similarly, we will learn the numbers that come after the number 60. Karthik found a grape plant on the way to home from school. He ran to the plant and counted the bunches. Each bunch has total is equal to 10 grapes. He ate 6 bunches of grapes quickly. That is, total is equal to 60 grapes. He had one more bunch of grapes and ate them one by one. Karthik ate one more grape from the last bunch. So, 60 plus 1 is equal to 61. Total is equal to 61 grapes. In the next minute, he ate one more grape. So, 60 plus 2 is equal to 62. Total is equal to 62 grapes. Again, he ate one more grape. So, 60 plus 3 is equal to 63. Total is equal to 63 grapes. Once again, he ate one more grape. So, 60 plus 4 is equal to 64. Total is equal to 64 grapes. In the next minute, he ate one more grape. So, 60 plus 5 is equal to 65. Total is equal to 65 grapes. Likewise, he ate one more grape. So, 60 plus 6 is equal to 66. Total is equal to 66 grapes. 60 plus 7 is equal to 67. Total 67 grapes. 60 plus 8 is equal to 68. Total 68 grapes. 60 plus 9 is equal to 69. Total 69 grapes. 60 plus 10 is equal to 70. Total is equal to 70 grapes. Here, we will learn the numbers that come after the number 70. Monu planted 7 trees last week. All plants flowered with 10 flowers each. His garden now has 70 flowers. He planted another tree to grow some more flowers. Plant flowered 1 flower on day 1. So, 70 plus 1 is equal to 71. Total is equal to 71 flowers. Plant flowered 1 more flower on day 2. So, 70 plus 2 is equal to 72. Total is equal to 72 flowers. Again, plant flowered 1 more flower on day 3. So, 70 plus 3 is equal to 73. Total is equal to 73 flowers. In the next day, plant flowered 1 more flower, 4. So, 70 plus 4 is equal to 74. Total is equal to 74 flowers. Again, plant flowered 1 more flower on day 5. So, 70 plus 5 is equal to 75. Total is equal to 75 flowers. Once again, plant flowered 1 more flower on day 6. So, 70 plus 6 is equal to 76. Total is equal to 76 flowers. Likewise, plant flowered 1 more flower on day 7. So, 70 plus 7 is equal to 77. Total is equal to 77 flowers. 70 plus 8 is equal to 78. Total is equal to 78 flowers. 70 plus 9 is equal to 79. Total is equal to 79 flowers. Finally, plant flowered one more flower on day 10. So, 70 plus 10 is equal to 80. Total is equal to 80 flowers. In this slide, we will learn the numbers that come after the number 80. Pinky started a carrot crop. Her aim is to grow 90 carrots. But unfortunately, only 80 carrots were grown in the place. She want to adjust 10 more carrots in the available place. So, she planted 10 more carrots and began watering them daily. A carrot has grown on day 1. So, 80 plus 1 is equal to 81. Total is equal to 81 carrots. One more carrot has grown on day 2. So, 80 plus 2 is equal to 82. Total is equal to 82 carrots. One more carrot has grown on day 3. So, 80 plus 3 is equal to 83. Total is equal to 83 carrots. One more carrot has grown on day 4. So, 80 plus 4 is equal to 84. Total is equal to 84 carrots. One more carrot has grown on day 5. So, 80 plus 5 is equal to 85. Total is equal to 85 carrots. One more carrot has grown on day 6. So, 80 plus 6 is equal to 86. Total is equal to 86 carrots. One more carrot has grown on day 7. So, 80 plus 7 is equal to 87. Total is equal to 87 carrots. One more carrot has grown on day 8. So, 80 plus 8 is equal to 88. Total is equal to 88 carrots. One more carrot has grown on day 9. So, 80 plus 9 is equal to 89. Total is equal to 89 carrots. One more carrot has grown on day 10. So, 80 plus 10 is equal to 90. Total is equal to 90 carrots. Now, we will learn the numbers from 91 to 100. Hi, I am so scared of this Motu. Till now, he has eaten 9 packs which contain 10 fries in each pack. That is, total is equal to 90 fries. Now it is my turn. Motu took the packet and started eating. His stomach is full of fries. So, he is eating one by one slowly. He ate 1 fry. So, 90 plus 1 is equal to 91. Total is equal to 91 fries. He ate 1 more fry. So, 90 plus 2 is equal to 92. Total is equal to 92 fries. He ate 1 more fry. So, 90 plus 3 is equal to 93. Total is equal to 93 fries. Again, he ate 1 more fry. So, 90 plus 4 is equal to 94. Total is equal to 94 fries. Once again, he ate 1 more fry. So, 90 plus 5 is equal to 95. Total is equal to 95 fries. Likewise, he ate 1 more fry. So, 90 plus 6 is equal to 96. Total 96 fries. 90 plus 7 is equal to 97. Total is equal to 97 fries. 90 plus 8 is equal to 98. Total is equal to 98 fries. 90 plus 9 is equal to 99. Total is equal to 99 fries. Finally, he ate 1 more fry. So, 90 plus 10 is equal to 100. Total is equal to 100 fries. Let us do an activity on numbers from 51 to 100. Drag and drop the appropriate values in the given fields. Numbers from 1 to 100. Here we see the table containing the numbers from 1 to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Take up the following activity on numbers from 1 to 100. Fill the table below with the correct numbers and click Submit to verify the answers. Hello kids, let's have a look at the spellings of numbers from 1 to 10. 1. O-N-E 1. One pigeon. 2. T-W-O 2. Two oranges. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. Three horses. 4. F-O-U-R 4. Four men. 5. F-I-V-E 5. Five flowers. 6. S-I-X 6. Six owls. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Seven rabbits. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Eight bears. 9. N-I-N-E 9. Nine fish. 10. T-E-N 10. 10 books. Take up the following activity number names from 1 to 10. Match the number from Group A with a number's name in Group B. Click Submit to verify the answers. Let's have a look at the spellings of numbers from 11 to 20. 11. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. 11 keys. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. 12 balls. 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13. 13 cups. 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14. 14 ice creams. 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. 15 smiley kids. 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16. 16 bananas. 17. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 17. 17 lollipops. 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N 18. 18 apples. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19. 19 pencils. 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. 20 erasers. Here, we will do an activity on number names from 11 to 20. Drag and drop the respective options into their respective boxes. Click Submit to verify the answers. Summary. Let us recap the highlights of this chapter. Counting the numbers from 20 to 100 with the help of pictures. Writing the names of numbers from 1 to 20. Follow-up work. Prepare a chart by writing the numbers from 1 to 20 in words. Prepare a chart by writing the numbers from 1 to 20 in letters. Take a sample unit test to check your understanding. You have successfully completed the chapter Numbers from 20 to 100.